I'm Katie Nobles.
And I'm disability attorney Michael Leiner.
And you're watching The Bottom Line. Today's topic, communicating with your medical providers.
One thing that I always want to communicate, not only to our clients who have appointments with their doctors, but when I speak to groups of therapists, counselors, doctors, about how they should be communicating with their patients, this is a tip that I always give. And here's the tip. It's that the first question that should be asked by the medical provider, or if you're the client and the question comes to you a different way, is not, how are you doing today? It's, how have you been since the last time I saw you? Okay? Catching up your providers over a longer period of time, as opposed to just asking somebody how they're doing in that instant in time that the appointment is taking place, is so critical. And the reason for that is it changes the entire tone of the appointment. When somebody shows up to a doctor's appointment and they're asked how they are in that moment in time, they could be having a great day. But then the medical notes only reflect them on that great day, and the conversation might not flow into all of the negative things that have been going on in the background since the last time they saw a provider. So changing the course of the appointment by either the way you ask that question, or the way, if you're the client, the way you internalize it and respond to it, is huge. And it can make a big difference to the records that are generated, the treatment that you receive. It just involves better treatment, not even just for your disability case. So I really hope that people take this to heart.
Right, because what we spoke about before is medical records are so important in a case. This is just a way to advocate for yourself, or for those medical providers to advocate for their patients.
Yeah. Katie, medical records are the case. So I totally agree with that. And I hope that people can start applying this, both the providers as well as our clients.
All right, thanks so much, Michael, for tackling that tip. If you have any questions, make sure that you submit them on our website, that's linerlegal.com, or on any of our social media profiles.